The 2026 Isuzu D-Max continues to build on its reputation as one of the toughest and most dependable pickup trucks on the market, blending rugged durability with modern comfort and technology. From the first look, it's clear that this truck is designed to work hard while still offering the refinement today's drivers expect. The D-Max doesn't try to be flashy or overly luxurious. Instead, it focuses on strength, reliability, and real-world usability, making it a favorite for professionals, families, and adventure lovers alike. The exterior design looks bolder and more confident than before. The front end features a strong grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular bumper that gives the truck a commanding road presence. The sculpted body lines add a modern touch while maintaining a tough, no-nonsense character. High ground clearance, sturdy side steps, and protective cladding highlight its off-road readiness. The pickup bed is practical and well-built, offering enough space for tools, cargo, or outdoor gear, with durable materials designed to handle daily abuse without complaint. Under the hood, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max is expected to continue with Isuzu's proven diesel engine lineup, known worldwide for reliability and efficiency. These engines deliver strong, low-end torque, which is exactly what you want for towing, hauling, and off-road driving. Acceleration feels steady and controlled rather than aggressive, focusing on usability instead of speed. The available manual and automatic transmissions are tuned for smooth power delivery, while the advanced four-wheel drive system ensures traction across mud, sand, gravel, and uneven terrain. On the road, the D-Max feels solid and stable. The steering is predictable, and the suspension is designed to balance comfort with load-carrying capability. When unloaded, the ride is firm but comfortable, and with cargo in the bed, the truck feels even more planted. Highway driving is relaxed, with good noise insulation for a diesel pickup, making long trips less tiring than you might expect from a work-focused truck. Off-road performance is one of the D-Max's strongest selling points. With its ladder frame chassis, high ground clearance, and intelligent four-wheel drive system, the truck handles rough trails with confidence. Features like hill descent control, traction control, and selectable driving modes help maintain control on steep slopes and slippery surfaces. Whether it's a construction site, farmland, or a remote trail, the D-Max feels built to handle tough conditions day after day. Inside the cabin, the 2026 D-Max offers a noticeable step up in comfort and technology. The interior design is clean and functional, with durable materials that are easy to maintain while still feeling modern. The seats are supportive and comfortable, suitable for long hours behind the wheel. The driving position is upright with excellent visibility, which is especially helpful when navigating narrow roads or tight work areas. Technology features are practical and user-friendly. A central touchscreen infotainment system provides smartphone connectivity, navigation, and media controls, making daily driving more enjoyable. The digital driver display offers clear information on speed, fuel efficiency, and vehicle status. Safety has also been improved, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, adding peace of mind for both work and family use. Towing and payload capability remain key strengths of the D-Max. It's designed to handle heavy loads without feeling strained, making it ideal for trailers, boats, or work equipment. The chassis and braking system work together to maintain stability under load, while towing aids help drivers manage weight and control with confidence. What truly sets the 2026 Isuzu D-Max apart is its long-term reliability. Isuzu has a strong reputation for building engines and trucks that last, and the D-Max reflects that philosophy. It's a vehicle designed to be owned for years, not just leased for a short period. Maintenance costs are generally reasonable, fuel efficiency is strong for a pickup, and durability is a major selling point. In everyday life, the D-Max feels like a dependable partner that's always ready for the job. It's equally comfortable carrying tools to a work site, taking the family on a weekend trip, or exploring off-road trails. The 2026 Isuzu D-Max may not chase luxury trends, but it delivers where it matters most: strength, reliability, comfort, and versatility. For buyers who want a truck they can trust in any situation, the D-Max remains one of the most sensible and capable choices in its class.